Hi children, welcome back to the lesson garbage. So in previous session we discussed about a lot about the garbage and how to dispose them. We successfully completed about the disposal of the garbage, right? Now here in this session we are going to learn about the plastic, right? We are going to learn about the plastic. So in the garbage lot of plastic is thrown every day, right? So here plastic, why do we are using plastic here? Plastic, it has more advantages when compared to wooden or metallic items. Here plastic is helpful for many purposes. It is easy to carry and easy to what you call use it, so that we are using plastic materials in our daily life. So what kind of plastic material do we are using? Here we are using the plastic materials such as toys, shoes, tea, strainers, cups, plates, chairs, table, insulator of electric wire and covering of electric switches, plugs, sockets, bottles, buckets, mugs, water tanks, water pipes, right? Pens, combs, toothbrushes, right? Even though some parts of the radio, television, refrigerator, cars, buses, trucks, scooters, trains and aeroplanes, all these vehicles and as well as this material, they contain what you call plastic. So here day to day daily life we are using plastic very much. Many kinds of plastic materials are used in our daily life for the many purposes, right? So here actually it is a gift to us, it is a boon to us. Why it is a boon? Why? Because without plastic we can't imagine our life. Means plastic is giving everything to us, right? So for example, if you want a pot, if it is a soil pot, then we are going to if you drop it, then definitely it can be broken. Whereas if you use the plastic one, there is a less chance to get breakdown, right? So and it is weightless. Plastic is always weightless when compared to metal iron bucket. The plastic bucket is weightless, right? So that we are using plastics. And instead of constructing of water tanks, we are using plastic tanks, right? So to prevent the electric shock, we are using plastic covering above the wires, right? So that's why here we are using plastic more and more, because they have beneficial. In 100%, if it have 20% of benefits, 80% are harmful things that are generated by the plastic. So let us see why it is curse to us. It is boon. Why? Because we are utilizing plastics in many purposes and it got a revolution. But here not all plastics are alike. Different plastic items, they contain different kinds of plastic and they have different types of chemicals. Whereas this using plastic nowadays, it become curse, it become bad effect. Why? Because it cannot be recycled properly and as well as it cannot be disposed easily. We can't dispose this material easily like other garbage, right? So let us see what are the bad effects that can be shown by the plastic. By using plastic, what happens if we use more and more plastics in our locality? And let us see what happens, the bad effects. Number one, it causes clogging of drain. It causes clogging of drains. Okay, here plastic, it cause clogging of drains. What is meant by drain? Have you listened the drainage or sewage? Drainage or sewage. So drainages or sewages, they are the pipelines that are built under the road. Means underground polluted water can be transported. Means the wastage water can be transported through the underground. This is what we call underground drainages, right? When you throw the plastic, in case this plastic, if it enter into these pipelines, then what happens? The plastic is going to block the pipeline. When the pipeline get blocked, then automatically the pressure on the walls of pipeline increases and it may cause damage to the pipeline. Then what happens? The dirt water, it comes out of the pipeline and it runs in your locality and it causes very harmful effects to the people who are living in that locality, right? So the clogging of drains, it causes spilling of the bad water onto the roads, right? And it causes many diseases, and as well as it just look like a flood, dirt water flood in the cities, right? And living become very hard when there is a leakage of bad smelling or wastewater or sewage water. This is one problem, clogging of drains. And number two, here for example, when you are throwing the leftover food or peeled out vegetables or spoiled vegetables, our mother is going to throw them by tying them in the plastic covers. By tying them in the plastic covers, we are going to throw. So whenever we throw in the garbage by tying the covers, the cattle like cow, buffalo or hunger, when they feel hunger, then what happens? They need to eat the food. They need to eat food. So whenever it wants to eat the food, who cattle, cows and buffaloes, when it want to eat the food, they are unable to open the plastic cover and directly they are going to eat the food along with the plastic. So due to eating of these plastic covers, many cattle are die because of plastic, and it is proven also, right? Practically it is proved, many animals they died because of this what you call plastic. Particularly the stray cattle means roadside cattle. These stray cattle, when they eat this food, they will die because of plastic is not going to digest in the body and it causes the obstruction in the digestive system. As a result, the cow will die, right? It is very bad situation. And whereas next here, the plastics, uh, sometimes the plastics are used to store the harmful chemicals. After using of these harmful chemicals, the persons are going to throw these box into garbage. And the rag pickers, do you know what is rag picker? Rag picker are the people who collects the plastic bottles, metals, right? Kabadi wala, they are going to collect the uh, waste materials, right? So here rag pickers, they pick the jars and what you call bottles, and they are going to clean them. When they give to the factories, the factory people, they are going to clean them, and they store the edible material, means food, sweets or any children eating food material will be kept in the jars, right? So now whenever the people eat these fruits, eat these sweets or otherwise this edible material, then they are going to get bad effect due to, in the past what it is there, in the past it is very harmful substances are present in this bottle, so that we get many diseases because of this plastic container, right? So definitely we should avoid using this kind of plastic. Next, if you burn the plastic, then what happens? If you burn the plastic, definitely it releases harmful gases. It releases harmful gases. These harmful gases, when they mix with the air, when these harmful gases they mix with the air, they are going to pollute the air. It causes air pollution. And we know very well, when air become polluted, it is not for breathing anymore. So we are going to get breathing problems. It causes lung diseases, right? So that's why we should not burn the plastic. And as well as, if you throw them in the water bodies, this plastic accumulates in the water body and it causes overspill of the water and it causes floods also. So these are the problems with using plastic, right? Have you understood? So how can we reduce the use of plastic? we come to know that plastic is causing many damage to the locality. So how can you reduce them? Right, simply by reusing. The only method is reusing, avoiding plastic materials, right? So how can we reuse them or reduce the use of plastic? Simple. Here we should carry jute bags instead of carry bags, means polythene bags. You should carry jute bags or paper bags. If you carry the jute bags and paper bag, then what happens? Simply we are going to reduce the use of plastic. It reduces the use of plastic. Here what we are discussing, reducing the use of plastic. How to reduce the use of plastic? How can you reduce? First one, by using jute bags or by paper bags. By using jute and paper bags, we are avoiding plastic bags here. Simply we are saving, right? And if you are using plastic bag, then reuse them, use again and again. Already we discussed about that, right? And as well as we should reuse the plastic container which come with the jams, pickles, oils or other packed food items. What for we can use? We can use it for storing salt, storing spices, storing sea leaves, storing sugar in the kitchen. We could use the plastic material again. And however, we should give away the old plastic toys to the other people. We should not throw in the garbage the toys that you played or that your children play that you played. We should not throw them in the garbage. Simply donate to other, right? So by donating other, you will feel happy, and as well as you could be able to save the environment, right? So like this, the plastic is one thing. It is good that we are using in our daily life. The bad thing is that it is causing many damage, so that we have to minimize or we have to reduce the use of plastic by following these steps, right? So with this we are going to stop the lesson. In the next session we'll learn about how to reduce the generation of garbage. With that we'll complete the lesson, right? So I hope you understood today's lesson. Very soon you have first term exam. For that syllabus I will announce soon, and get ready for the examination, right? So don't forget to read all the lessons. Once you recall the videos, look at the videos and gain the knowledge and get ready to face the exam. Right, thank you now.